In this video, you will learn how to put the body in the center. That's very easy. It will be a short video. Let's find the body. It is right there. We have the text. What you can do is you can right click. You can say refactor. And then inside you will have wrap with center. Easy as this. Boom. So what this create? It create a center widget, which inside you have the child and you have the text inside. So the center is the widget because it's a capital letter. Inside you have the child, which is an argument. And usually when you have an argument called child, it's just to put something else inside the widget. And this something else is the text widget. Now we have the blue bar. It's because we need to put a const before. And you see we still have the blue bar because we need to avoid 2 times the const. That's good. Now you see we have two brackets. Put the comma. Put the comma and then here we go. We have the format document. We will hot reload and we have the body in the center. That's it for this one. See you in the next video.